today's all-new gets bandied about way more than it should in the automotive world. Depending on how lenient an automaker's marketing department is feeling at the time, refreshed fascias and a reshuffling of trim levels might turn a tired vehicle the all-new appellation. That's not what Subaru has done with its reborn Impreza compact. Everything from its wheels to its windows has been completely redesigned for 2017. With one glaring exception, the 2017 Subaru Impreza has benefited immensely from its rebirth. The chassis is stiffer, the steering is better, and the interior is larger than before. Like on most Subarus, standard all-wheel drive remains a key selling point. The only thing that's missing is more power. Subaru has gotten guff over the years for its exterior design, with vehicles being called everything from ugly, Baja, to odd, benign Rebecca. The 2017 Impreza doesn't fit those descriptions. There's just enough surfacing pressed into its body sides to attract the eye, and the burly flared shoulder fenders add a muscular stance. Dead on, the Impreza's face is a bit too nondescript. If it didn't wear a Subaru badge, you'd be forgiven for mistaking it for Honda or Toyota, but it's not unattractive. The bad guys of Impreza's past are now nothing more than a historical footnote.